Hi, this is Greg with Connect Pro. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of installing an amplifier into your vehicle. Before you get started, you're going to need a few tools to do the job, like a Phillips head screwdriver and a drill. Once you've picked out your new amplifier, determine the best location for installation based on its size. Make sure the location you pick has proper ventilation and can be accessed easily for adjustments later. You will also need RCA cables long enough to run from your stereo to your new amp, as well as a new fuse and fuse box, power, ground, remote start cable, and mounting screws. Once you have your spot located to mount the amp, use the screwdriver to screw down the amp securely. Now, if there is carpet, I would suggest using spacers to place underneath the unit for better ventilation, and a place to run wires if desired. Now, you're going to have to install the power cable. Running cables under carpet and through the firewall will most likely include some basic disassembly. Run the cable directly to your battery from your amp location. Now, before you attach the cable to the battery, I would suggest you install an inline fuse about 12 inches away from the battery. As well, find or create a clean screw hole in the body of your car and ground out the amp there. Once completed, remove the radio from the dashboard and make the proper connections at the back of the radio. Then reinstall the radio. The signal and turn-on cable and RCA cables will need to run from the amp to the back of the stereo deck. This is best done by hiding them along the door rails or fishing them under your carpet. Note that the stereo cables will have a positive or negative mark on them, and while noting the correct polarity also on the amp, screw the signal cables in accordingly. Run the speaker wires from your speakers directly to your amp, and again, noting polarity, attach accordingly. Then, screw down the remote start cable. Place a fuse in the new fuse box located near the battery, and make sure to test it so you know everything is operating properly. Now you're ready to start enjoying your tunes. If you have any questions, visit Future Shop and talk to a Connect Pro expert.